baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the day. Can't wait for the long day.
Hi. Hi, I just wanted to insert this part in my vlog because I wanted to explain the whole shipping boxes situation. So I'm moving to Australia with my family. I just realized I didn't tell you guys directly that I am moving. I only told my 21st birthday vlog. I just wanted to say like I'm moving to Australia on the 29th of November. Pretty soon, so. Matcha flavored. I got Pokey. Oh no. I got it in the pack. I have it in the whole pack here.
Yeah. And what's cool, I can bring them into my Pokemon game.
Look what he's playing. Show the camera.
No.
He's playing Pokemon Go.
Yes,
He's addicted to it.
no, I just
See ya. I've got one that's bacon and egg panini, and then the other one is cheese tomato croissant. Oh my god, there!
Oh my god, it shows videos too.
Yeah. Look, it's so cute. Excuse me. I can see it. It's so cute. Hi. Do you guys notice anything about the palette? This is missing and it just fell out of my palette. Oh my god. What's up?
Long ride. Shut up, it's only 30 minutes. So pretty.
Go, Sophia, go! Cheers. Oh, cheers. Oh, okay. Never mind. I'll drink it today. Oh, she's eating the leaf. Look at it!
Yo, lifeguard, can you save the chicken? First, I thought you guys were gonna bring it back.
Oh.
3, 2, 1. What size is it? Pick up. How long is this? Should we record that?
No, wait, we need a photo together.
Oh. Hada.
Oh!
One more. No. She got juice. She's like psychic.
She's so Yay!
Yeah, go tell.
This is the last vlog before Fiona goes. Well, not really. So our boyfriend, and husband is just there, completely ignoring us, and we don't know what to do. even Sophia. What is she doing? Anyway, this is Fiona's last time with all of us. That makes it so sad. No, but I'm gonna see her again when she gives me low key. Oh my god, yeah, I am. Okay, now let's end this with a song because we usually end things with a song. We gotta find it. Wait, just here we are, far from home. A little love, but it's alright. Cause it's just right. Wait, what is she saying? I can do the chorus. Can't go back, so we gotta go on. We stick together, singing strong. There's a diamond castle in my mind, and someday soon we're gonna find it. We're gonna find it. We're just going.
number one enemy today is the wind. It's so bad. Goodbye.
I just want to see like.
There's an accident. Car accident. Oh. Look, Santa.
Yeah.